Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy scrambled eggs. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a bowl per person. For extra richness, add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for every 2 eggs. Whisk them vigorously with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are completely blended and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture and color throughout your finished dish. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 1 teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 15 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, letting the uncooked egg flow underneath. The key to creamy scrambled eggs is not to overcook them. Continue gently folding the eggs until they are mostly set but still look slightly moist and glossy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat just before they reach your desired doneness, as they will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper right away. Serve your perfectly cooked scrambled eggs immediately on warm plates to enjoy their best texture and flavor. For a twist, try adding a sprinkle of shredded cheese, fresh herbs like chives, or finely diced vegetables during the last minute of cooking. These additions can elevate your breakfast experience. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.